Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Coders. In today's video, I'll be showcasing another exciting project, a tour booking website we developed for Dubrovnik Blue Cave. This site highlights how custom coding in Wix can transform a basic booking system into a fully dynamic professional experience. This website offers four types of tours: morning tour, afternoon tour, private tour, and sunset tour. Earlier, when the client reached us, they had four different boxes for each of the tour, and the each of the book now button was pointing to four different light boxes which was individually maintained for each of the tour. This approach worked, but it wasn't efficient. Managing multiple light boxes meant repeated content updates and heavier site load. So we re-engineered the system using Wix Velo and repeaters. Now all the four tours are dynamically displayed through a repeater, a single reusable design that automatically adjusts based on the tour data. Each Book Now button is connected to one universal custom lightbox. And here's the smart part. Based on which tour the user selects, the content inside the lightbox changes dynamically, updating all text fields, drop-down options, and pricings on the fly. This eliminates redundancy and makes it super easy for the client to manage tours directly from the database. We also developed a custom payment logic inside the same form. This secure checkout button triggers a custom coded payment flow seamlessly integrated into Wix Payments, ensuring the booking confirmations and payment details are captured securely. I'll show you a quick demo of what we are doing. If you see in this morning tour, you have only departure time at 10 a.m. But if you see in this private tour, the design actually changes. You have to select what is a group of members, and the departure time also changes. This everything is done dynamically. And adding to this, we have I'll just show you a quick demo of making this making a booking in this. Select Wix Coders, give a number. We'll select based on the members. You could see there is a price change and everything is done dynamically. Only thing the admin has to do is he has to give this data in the database, and based on this, the calculations are done in the backend. And you have to select time. You have coupon code, you can apply it, and you can see the price changes in it. Once you click this secure checkout, you will be moved on to the payment page where you will get all your details from the form directly into this. You don't have to enter any details here. Once you click continue, you will be moved to this payment details page. Here you have to enter your card details and make a payment. This setup can be is already extended in multiple ways. Adding an email automation, sending confirmation emails to both admins and customers. When you make a successful booking, an email is triggered both to the admin as well as the customer for a booking confirmation. All this proves how flexible Wix Velo can be when combined with smart and structured coding. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real Wix development stories. Thanks for watching. This is Wix Coders, helping you turn ideas into web experiences.